So friends, now this is the third video in the series of Mastering Economy for IAS Prelims. We have already gone through the syllabus and why economy seems difficult and what are the different pitfalls and traps. Now we will see the topic-wise importance based upon the 5-year pattern of the UPSC. So based upon the 5-year pattern, there are certain areas which are highly important and there are certain areas which are less important. So we will see the topic-wise importance, and based upon that, we will see that what should be our strategy. So if we see the previous 5 years UPSC topics, that is from 2015 to 2019, one area is the basics, economic growth and development. So from here you can see that in 2018 there were 4 questions and in 2015 there are 3 questions. So not every year the questions are coming, but sometimes it occupies up to 4 questions. So you really can't ignore this topic. Then banking and monetary policy. This is the topmost priority topic of the prelims. Every year you will find 6 questions, 2 questions, 5 questions, 3 questions. So average you can say there are 4 questions. 4 questions means a lot. Fiscal policy, taxation and subsidies. This is also important. You can see 3 questions, 2 questions, 3 questions, 4 questions. In 2019 there were 1 question, but again this topic is really important, so it will give more number of questions in the coming time. External sector is very important. In 2019 5 questions and came, and before that also 6 questions, 2 questions, 3 questions. Friends, I will say only one thing, that if any chapter is giving at least 1 question on a yearly basis, that means you can't ignore that chapter, and that chapter has to be your strength. You have to have a strong fundamental in those topics. Relevant government schemes, very important. In 17 and 18 there were 9 questions, 8 questions, 2 questions. International economic organizations, again very important. Every year you will find a couple of questions. Even in 2018 there was 1 question as far as international economic organizations are concerned. Friends, I can say that they are the category A topics. So these are the 6 category A topics. You really can't ignore this topic if you have to make the economy as your strong area. Then coming to the category B topic. Category B topic, their importance is less. However, we still can't ignore them. What are those topics? So one is the population and demography. So the data is missing from here, but on an average there is 1 question which keeps coming every year. Indian agriculture, this is becoming more important these days. There are 5 questions, 3 questions, 1 question. Planning, this is part of the basics also, and there are questions occasionally. Industrial policy, there are questions occasionally. Financial markets, which include the money market and the capital market, there are questions occasionally. And inflation, there are questions occasionally. So these are the category B topics, right? So based upon this, we can cover the syllabus in the order of priority.